Hi people, to this vegetable. Eat the enter your eye, eat the enter your eye. Talk truth to this vegetable stew. No enter your eye. Make I know why.
I do it.
If this vegetable stew not enter, make I know why. Oh yeah, follow me. Let me show you how I make them. Very, very simple. We all know say for this European, we dey fear to use spinach to do vegetable stew. It is good for soup, but when it comes to stew, they melt like water. On this today, I will show you very simple and easy way to retain that crunchiness of your vegetable stew. Vegetable stew be say your family go love. Like, God no let this vegetable reach ground though. The Benin man in my husband, they don't let this vegetable last. They don't let this vegetable stew last. Even my children gone, they no allow and last for house. Like, the days when they eat both swallow. Anything eatable, potato, rice, it go. Let me just show you very, very simple way to make it. Follow me. So cover finish now. I carry my spinach, my packet of spinach now. It's just not spinach I use. I bring my spinach. My sense. See the knife what they use. Pay attention to the knife. This thing, bread knife, very tiny knife to help you achieve that tiny. See, as all of us, we know so we dey miss Nigeria vibe of cutting of vegetables. So this bread, this bread knife, that go help you achieve that tiny this thing. Now I cut her. I use this. I trust the cutter. I use the measures. I know if you pick, I don't get that patient of picking. If you are like me, you are welcome to the group. I don't have that patient of the one they pick spinach small. I just pack and use my hand to select them, begin the slice. Then I go back to the meat, check on my meat. If my meat is ready. Here come the most important part of this whole stew where we dey cook. See, you must not miss this particular aspect if for no reason. Blanch your vegetable, blanch it. Just put them for inside pot. Put small salt for inside. Leave them for few seconds, minutes care. Just leave them for small time. Make it just be like what it just boil small. Then I went ahead to prep my pepper. I use tatache. After then, spinach done ready. You bring a come outside. Since I dey run cold water, then I carry ice. Most important part of it, then be that running of cold water after blanching and put ice inside. Allow it to cool. See, please don't miss this ice aspect. The most important aspect of this whole thing is this ice. Don't miss. So I put my pot for fire. After that vegetable session, put my pot. Man, I know verse if my oil too much, why gui na stew. Oh yeah, got there on top. So no, I know verse cholesterol. Man, I know verse. Now I put onions. I can turn food for Africa. I don't know why I like turning food, but I enjoy it. I enjoy it. So I keep turning the onions. Second, they stir the onions. And I turn the onions live. Who will say make I put the gas for low heat? I'm saying I can't begin there. I can't to say my girlfriend don't dare to devote the gist with me. I swear to God, this kitchen for tire me this day. So I can't begin the turn and the onions was done. After I turned this last turn, I think so. Now I carry this thing. Tin tomatoes. Now I put tin tomatoes inside. I just choose one tin tomatoes. Now I put one tin tomatoes inside. I see the turn in life. Oh, a blessing with Tony. A blessing with Tony 5 and 6. So I see the turn in life. I don't know. The only place, kitchen are the only place where I feel like, okay, my brain is settled and in the night being a mother, because then these children, they stress my life. stress my life with shouting. I don't know, boys mom, how are you guys coping mostly this holiday? What do you stay house with you morning till night? God. So they don't say my girlfriend help me bring tomatoes come out, make she help me they open and make it for fasting. You see, they say message where you send yourself, now fast pass message where you send person. Now be this girl matter. Before this girl feel open one tomatoes can, my guy, I don't open all the tomatoes fish. Now say come, but my buy a tomatoes here. Tomatoes will be logo when I key. Tomatoes still they hard you to open. You don't get hard. Before she said she open one too, all the pack of tomatoes you see. Blessing don't open everything. Laugh won't finish me. I want to use my finisher. At the end of the day, now she still pack bangolo then come out. Now I turn my pepper. Guys, I noticed something. Fresh pepper what would they buy for African shop for this? Man, not say for this Italy. Man, not say for Europe. For this my region. Let me use that word. For this my region. You know they ever pepper. That's why I just settle for dry pepper. I use dry pepper for anything I want to cook. That dry pepper, so if I don't carry and put her for inside pango, inside rubber, put water, put her for microwave, it hot, I let her cool down. I boil my pepper. I'm good to go. If I just boil them, I blend. It done ready for me. I need to stress myself for fresh pepper again. That's why I suffer plants. So my vegetable don't co-rich. I can't come on the eyes because the eyes too big. Let me tie the eyes, put for freezer. Now I come back to the stew. Make the vegetable they come out water. Make the no water through away. Now I come back to the stew. I put more spices. So I put more. I never really put before. Now I put crayfish. Make I no lie. Yes. Don't touch cat. I'm coming. Make I no lie. This crayfish, it no reach me. Mavis, I'm coming. Please, I'm doing something. This crayfish, it no reach. I put more crayfish behind camera. This is part of the motherhood I'm talking about. Can you see? I leave and make you still boy sumo again. I still don't know. Me and Tony, 5 and 6, like I said, I enjoy Tony food. I don't know why. I said I didn't tell him again. He told me to put vegetable at the son. So last I put the vegetable. It starts at the spread and put. I use my hand to open and the spread and put so that it go dey easy to circulate inside these tomatoes. Now I turn them again. I begin to turn them. Oh, see stew now, guys. Just see this stew. Can you see this stew? I beg bless you, they cook. Can you see this stew? S and babe, for that matter. Show me S and girl wey no sabi cook. Just show me S and girl wey no sabi cook, and I will pack my whole family come. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. My meat so I put for air fryer, it already. Now I put some. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, guys, if you enjoy watching this, I know they teach anybody how to cook, but at least we learn every day. We learn from people. We learn every day. So, guys, please, if you enjoy watching me cook, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking. Very important. Thank you for clicking this particular video. And thank you for staying tuned. Sis Tuna, it already. Sis Tuna already. Your family will love this too. Like, they will keep coming back for this too. My light can't do so I just have to manage this video. So guys, please manage it with me. My light now on this work for this end part. This stew can pair with it with rice, potato, swallow, anything at all.